Selamat datang everybody, welcome to my tiny kitchen. Today we're gonna make lava cake with chili peppers. The things you need for these lava cakes are 90 grams of dark chocolate, 40 grams of dark chocolate with a flavor, 40 grams of unsalted butter, 2 eggs, 1 egg yolk, 40 grams of caster sugar, 30 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar or vanilla extract, pinch of salt and 1 chili. For these lava cakes you need these earthenware cups. You can use regular cups or these, specially made for the oven, but we're not going to use the oven. We're gonna steam it. The quality of the chocolate, of course, is really important for these lava cakes. Better chocolate, better lava cakes, right? This is really dark chocolate. I love that. I've got orange flavor here, but this is raspberry. So anything you like. A long time ago, I made bonbons with chilies at a workshop. So it was really inspiring, and I was thinking this is a good idea for my lava cake. The chocolate needs to be melted. I'm not going to use the dark chocolate with flavor, only the regular one. I'm going to add it to my bowl with the lovely unsalted butter. And now we're going to heat this up au bain-marie until it is liquid. We're gonna start by mixing my eggs and sugar. 2 eggs, 1 egg yolk. The salt, the vanilla. And now let's whisk. My butter and chocolate, they are nicely combined and melted completely. So now they have to cool down for just a little bit before I add it to my batter. So I've whisked for about 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, and now it's really airy and light in color. So the eggs are done now. I'm gonna add to my chocolate now my chili pepper. You see, I finally cut it. First I grinded it with the immersion blender and then I cut it again to get this smooth chili paste. So 1 can go in, there you go. Make this into a real lava cake. It will spit fire, people. Now we can add this to the batter. So that's okay. Now we're gonna mix in the flour. I'm gonna sift the flour so we don't get any lumps. Not all at once. In 2 batches, I fold it in. Don't over whisk it. So this is good. Ooh. Well, I've got my lovely molds here. They're tiny. So the time you need to steam it depends on the size. Here they are. So now the fun part. Now we can add more flavor even. These are my lovely dark chocolate flavored with orange zest. I'm just gonna push these pieces into the middle because this will give that lava effect. I want to push them a bit deeper. Easy. You can use a chili for anything. I'm gonna fill my colander of my rice steamer with my molds, and now I'm gonna steam this on high heat for 5 to 6 minutes. So it depends on how big your molds are. Ooh, nice and fluffy. I have to ask my daughter to cut the lava cake. Lulu, can you come over? There she is. Of course, she was waiting there because it's chocolate time. You like to cut this one
Yes.
open? This one has cooled down, so please try and taste. You can see it here too. I've opened that one up.
And we're gonna eat more later.
Oh.
I really like it. It's a little bit spicy, but when you really chew it, then the spice really comes through, and I really like it.
Ah, she loves chili. So, these are my lava cakes. Easy to make, so selamat makan. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye. Lulu. Even terug.